Every day, those with diabetes are bombarded with messages to restrict and avoid different types of foods, which can lead to feelings of frustration and overwhelm. And not surprisingly, my clients often tell me that they're afraid of eating, especially when it comes to carbs, worried that their blood sugars will spike. And when they do eat the foods that they think they shouldn't, there's of course a lot of guilt. Are you frustrated trying different food strategies and diets to stabilize your blood sugars, but it's just not working? Are you cutting carbs and feeling deprived or have lost the joy in eating? Well, it's time for a 180. Change the habits that don't serve you and adopt new ones that propel you to health and vitality. Hi, I'm Desilicious RD Shehzadi Devji, registered dietitian and certified diabetes educator, and I'm delighted to share this gift with you. My Diabetes 180, your starter kit to better management with diet. So what's included in this juicy kit? Well, I show you exactly what a diabetes-friendly diet looks like and include my tried and tested food tips that have shown to help my diabetes clients stabilize their blood sugars and feel their best, all backed by science. You'll also find a detailed list of diabetes-friendly foods to stock in your fridge and pantry, and some of my most popular diabetes-friendly recipes. They're delicious, nourishing, and ridiculously simple to pull off, complete with nutritional analysis. And there's much more for you to enjoy, like simple self-care practices to help you pull the reins on stress and help you feel your best, and access to a handy plant-based guidepost to help you get complete nutrition. Your diabetes starter kit is filled with some of the best nutritional nuggets I have to offer you. Plus, it's delivered in bite-sized chunks, so you won't feel overwhelmed. Grab my Diabetes 180, your starter kit to better management with diet to keep your blood sugars in check.